Now sums from problem set 6 which are related to practice set 6.1 are the sum number 1, that is choose the correct alternative in that 1, 2 and 3 from sum number 1, then sum number 2, sum number 3, sum number 4, and in sum number 5 all the sums are there, that is sums from 1 to 10. Now problem set 6, first question, choose the correct alternative. Now the first one, they have given sine theta into cosec theta is equal to how much? 1, 0, 1 upon 2 or root 2. Now if you solve this, sine theta into cosec theta, that is equal to sine theta, and what is cosec theta? 1 upon sine theta. Sine theta will get cancelled, so answer is what? 1. So the correct answer is A, that is 1. Now cosec 45 degree, if you see the values of the trigonometric ratio from the table, you will get that cosec 45 degree is equal to what? Root 2, that is B, root 2. Now 1 plus tan square theta is equal to what? Sec square theta. So C is the correct answer, that is sec square theta. Now sum number 2 of problem set 6, they have given sine theta is equal to 11 upon 61. We have to find out the value of cos theta using trigonometric identity. तो identity use करके ये करना है, Pythagoras theorem से नहीं करना है. So we know that sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Put the value of sine theta, that is 11 upon 61 the whole square plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Therefore 121, open this bracket, so 121 upon 3721 plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now take this on this side, on right hand side. So what you will get? Cos square theta is equal to 1 minus 121 upon 3721. Now equalize the denominator, multiply 3721 into 1. So what you will get? Cos square theta is equal to 3721 minus 121 upon 3721. Therefore cos square theta, when you subtract this, you will get what? 006, 3600 upon 3721. Therefore cos theta will be equal to what? Root of 3600 upon 3721. Therefore cos theta is equal to what? Root of 3600 is 60 and 3721 square root is what? 61. So the value of cos theta is equal to 60 upon 61. Now they have given if tan theta is equal to 2, then find all the values of the other trigonometric ratio, matlab sine, cos, cot, sec and cosec. All these values you have to find out. Now tan theta is equal to 2 upon 1. Therefore cot theta will be equal to how much? 1 upon tan theta, that's equal to 1 upon 2. So cot theta is equal to what? 1 upon 2. Now we know that 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Put the value of tan, we get 1 plus 2 the whole square is equal to sec square theta. Therefore 1 plus 2 the whole square is what? 4 is equal to sec square theta. Therefore sec square theta is equal to 5. Therefore sec theta is equal to how much? Root 5. Therefore sec theta is equal to root 5. Since we don't know the value of root 5, we will keep it like that only. Now cos theta is equal to what? Cos theta is equal to 1 upon sec theta. So cos theta is equal to what? 1 upon root 5. So cos theta's value is what? 1 upon root 5. So cos theta is equal to 1 upon root 5. So we have got now cot theta, sec theta and cos theta. Now we have to find out sin theta. So we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Put the value of cos theta. So sin square theta plus 1 upon root 5 the whole square is equal to 1. Now open the bracket. So what you will get? Sin square theta plus 1 the whole square is 1 and root 5 the whole square is what? 5 is equal to 1. Now take the 1 upon 5 on the other side. You will get sin square theta is equal to 1 minus 1 upon 5. Equalize the denominator. You will get sin square theta is equal to 5 into 1. 5 into 1 is how much? 5 minus 1 upon 5. Therefore sin square theta is equal to how much? 5 minus 1 is 4 upon 5. Therefore sin theta is equal to root of 4 upon 5. Therefore sin theta is equal to how much? Sin theta is equal to root of 4 is how much? 2 and root of 5 we don't know, so we'll keep it under the root sign. So 2 upon root 5. Now cosec theta is equal to what? 1 upon sin theta. So that is equal to 1 upon 2 upon root 5. Now take this on the numerator. You have to take the reciprocal. So cosec theta is equal to how much? When you take this on the top, you will get what? Root 5 upon 2. So we have got all the values: cot theta, sec theta, cos theta, sin theta and cosec theta. So in the end you write down the answer. Write down all the values whichever you have got, except tan theta you don't have to write because it is already given in the question itself. Now fourth sum, if sec theta is equal to 13 upon 12, find out the other trigonometric values. Now sec theta is equal to 13 upon 12, so cos theta will be equal to how much? 1 upon sec theta, that's equal to 1 upon 13 upon 12. So when you take it in the numerator, 13 upon 12 will become what? 12 upon 13. So cos theta is equal to what? 12 upon 13. Now sec theta is given, so we can find out 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Now put the value of sec theta. So 1 plus tan square theta is equal to 13 upon 12 the whole square. So therefore 1 plus tan square theta is equal to 169 upon 144. Now take this 1 on this side. So what you will get? Tan square theta is equal to 169 upon 144 minus 1. So when the 1 comes over here, it becomes minus 1. Equalize the denominator. Tan square theta is equal to 169 up 144 into 1 is how much? 144 upon 144. So therefore tan square theta is equal to, when you subtract this, you will get 25 upon 144. Therefore tan theta will be equal to how much? Root of 25 upon 144. What is the root of 25? 5. And what is the root of 144? 12. Therefore tan theta is equal to what? 5 upon 12. Now what is cot theta? Cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta. That's equal to 1 upon 5 upon 12. Now take this on the top. So what you will get? Cot theta. Cot theta is equal to 5 upon 12. When it goes on the top, it will become reciprocal of that. So 12 upon 5. Now we have to find out sin theta. So sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. We had got cos theta is equal to 12 upon 13, so substitute that value. So sin square theta plus 12 upon 13 the whole square is equal to 1. Therefore sin square theta is equal to plus, not equal to, plus 144 upon 169 is equal to 1. Therefore sin square theta is equal to 1. 144 upon 169, when you take it on that side, it will become minus. Equalize the denominator. When you multiply 1 into 169, you will get 169 minus 144 upon 169. Therefore sin square theta is equal to what? 25 upon 169. Therefore sin theta is equal to what? Root of 25 upon 169. So what is root of 25? 5. Therefore sin theta is equal to what? 5, and root of 169 is what? 13. Now we have to find out cosec theta. So cosec theta is equal to what? 1 upon a sine theta. So that's equal to 1 upon sine theta is 5 upon 13. So 5 upon 13. Therefore cosec theta is equal to how much? 5 upon 13, when it goes on the top, it becomes reciprocal of that. So 13 upon 5. So we have got all the values of trigonometric ratios. Now sum number 3 and sum number 4 of problem set 6 have found out the trigonometric ratios by using identity. You can solve also by Pythagoras theorem also. You will get all the answers by Pythagoras theorem also. Now fifth one, prove the following. The first sum they have given sec theta into 1 minus sine theta into sec theta plus tan theta. This we have to prove that it is equal to 1. So this is LHS. Now what is sec theta? Sec theta is 1 upon cos theta. 1 minus sine theta will remain as it is, and sec theta is what? 1 upon cos theta, plus tan theta is what? Sin theta upon cos theta. Now 1 into 1 minus sine theta is what? 1 minus sine theta upon cos theta into, now equalize the denominator. Here the denominator is already equal, so what will be next? 1 plus sine theta upon cos theta. Denominator is equal, so we'll keep it like that only. So that's equal to 1 minus sine theta into 1 plus sine theta and cos theta into cos theta. Cos theta into cos theta. Now this is a minus b, a plus b. So a minus b, a plus b is what? A square minus b square. That is 1 square minus sine square theta upon cos theta into cos theta is what? Cos square theta. So that is equal to 1 square is what? 1 minus sine square theta upon cos square theta. Now what is 1 minus sine square theta? 1 minus sine square theta is cos square theta. So reason you know that cos square theta upon cos square theta. So how we got cos square theta? 1 minus sine square theta, that is sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Take the sine square theta on the other side, you will get cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sine square theta. So 1 minus sine square theta is what? Cos square theta. Both will get cancelled, and the answer is what? 1, which is equal to RHS. So LHS is equal to RHS, and then write down the question part. Now second sum of prove the following. Now LHS is equal to what? Sec theta plus tan theta into 1 minus sine theta. It is somewhat like the previous sum only. Sec theta is what? 1 upon cos theta, and tan theta is what? A sine theta upon cos theta into 1 minus sine theta. This will remain as it is. So that's equal to, now denominator is already equal, so what you'll get? 1 plus sine theta upon cos theta into 1 minus sine theta. Now what is a plus b into a minus b is what? A square minus b square, that is a square minus b square upon cos theta. So that is equal to 1 square is what? 1 minus sine square theta upon cos theta. So that's equal to what? 1 minus sine square theta is what? Cos square theta upon cos theta. Why? Because sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Take the sine square theta on the other side, you'll get what? Cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sine square theta. So 1 minus sine square theta is equal to what? Cos square theta. So 1 cos theta will get cancelled. So what is the answer? That's equal to cos theta, which is equal to RHS. So LHS is equal to RHS, and then write down the question. Now third sum, LHS is given sec square theta plus cosec square theta. We have to prove that is equal to sec square theta into cos square theta. यहाँ पे plus है, and we have to prove that it is into sec square theta into cosec square theta. Now what is sec theta? 1 upon cos theta. So you'll get what? 1 upon cos square theta. Why? Because this is also square. Same way over here. Cosec theta is what? 1 upon sine theta. So here you'll get 1 upon sine square theta. Why? Because here also it is square. Now equalize the denominator. In the denominator we have what? Cos square theta into sine square theta. And this sine square theta will go over here. Plus this cos square theta will go over here. So sine square theta plus cos square theta is what? 1. Cos square theta into sine square theta. Write down the reason. That sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now write it separately. That is equal to 1 upon cos square theta into 1 upon sine square theta. Now what is 1 upon cos square theta? 1 upon cos square theta is sec square theta into 1 upon sine square theta is cosec square theta. So that is what we had to prove. That's equal to RHS. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS, and then write down the question part.